Start your engines. Well, actually, maybe park your car, as it's reported that Fast and Furious 10 won't start filming until 2022. Welcome back to Screen Rant. My name's Michael Mello, and I'm here to give you your latest on your TV and your movie news. The 10th installment of the Fast and Furious franchise will only start filming in 2022. Director Justin Lin mentioned that he doesn't expect to begin work on Fast and Furious 10 until at least 2022. The franchise, which is now 20 years old, certainly faced some bumps in the road. However, it then saw great heights when Lin took over and started to direct the 4th, 5th, and 6th films. Though I personally think the 3rd film, Tokyo Drift, is underappreciated. F9 is the latest movie to be added, and it's said to hit theaters this June, with the newest trailer revealing that our heroes are tackling a new frontier, outer space. In an interview with Variety, Lin revealed that he doesn't expect to begin filming the 10th installment of the franchise until at least 2022. He mentioned how the development for these films can't last too long, as getting these projects off the ground can be very complicated. 10 is rumored to be part of a 2-part saga that will end the franchise. Although Fast 10 isn't coming anytime soon, fans can rest assured that F9 is being released this June, and it's said to give a hint at the direction the franchise is going for the epic grand finale. For all your latest TV and movie news, be sure to check out Screen Rant. My name's Michael Mello. I'll see you next time.